Hi YouTubers! I bought another item from Lazada.com. It's what they call the power wheel. So I think this will be the last exercise that I will be using because it's going to strengthen another portion of my body, particularly the lower legs or the lower abs and the lower legs. It can do several exercise positions as you can see. So this will help me stabilize my legs. So let's start. Let's open the box. So inside the box, there is first an instruction manual. So there are two big wheels. Okay, these plastic are quite thick and sturdy. I guess it will last a long time. The rubber are also good. And there is one. Oh, it's very quite thick metal tubing. The chrome plating is very efficient also. Then oh, two fit sleeves. Two footrests. Then oh, this will be the hand. Oh, this will be the handle. Two handle. Okay. Now let's start. Okay. Based on this manual, this will be what it looks like. So I'll just assume that I'll be doing it correctly by looking at this. Wait. Okay. The steel bar, then the two wheels. There is no actually right or wrong side. Everything is just quite the same. So I'm assuming that it will be located here at a similar face. Okay. Then okay, now let's put the foot sleeves. Then okay, the footrest. I'm just following what's in the manual, so bear with me. So it looks like this. Then this one. Then other side. So it will look like this. Now let's put the handle. This handle is quite soft. I'm not sure if it can provide enough support to hold these things in place. Let's try. Oh, it's not easy. Wait. Maybe I'll try to put a dab of mineral oil to make it slide easier. Okay. Okay, that's better. See? So the mineral oil helps me sliding this in a metal tube. So let's try the other side. I don't want to put too much oil because maybe it will ruin this foam. It's a foam handle and not that rubbery. Okay, I guess I'm wrong. I think this can handle everything and intact and in place because okay. So oh, something's here. I guess this is a plug to put the handle in place. Ouch. Okay, then that's done. I will be trying this tomorrow and hopefully this can help my legs go stronger because this will be my last exercise machine and I'm not planning to buy any more, and I'm very happy with the build of this exercise machine. Only this handle, I do not trust this handle, but uh, maybe I can replace this with a maybe a bicycle handle or a motorcycle handle or whatnot. So wish me luck.